Central air conditioner units benefit greatly from professional maintenance, but there are many minor problems that you can easily troubleshoot yourself. Before we troubleshoot your problem, you need to know that your AC unit is comprised of three basic parts: the outside compressor and condenser, the evaporator inside the house, and the furnace. Yes, the furnace works hard all winter and summer to keep you comfortable. If your central AC unit isn't working properly, check these items before calling Bonfe. It may save you money. Check to see that your thermostat is 10 degrees cooler than the room temperature. You may have a sensitive or faulty thermostat. Next, locate the electrical service panel. Check to see that the circuit breaker for the AC is in the on position. If the breaker is in the on position, check the electrical disconnect mounted on the side of the house next to the AC unit. Make sure this breaker is in the on position. Some disconnects use cartridge fuses. These are available at your local hardware store. Last and not least, check the furnace filter. The AC uses the furnace fan to circulate cool air throughout your home. A clogged filter will reduce AC efficiency and sometimes shut down a system. Most standard filters need to be changed monthly.